first. Let me make that disappear. Okay, so our next word is to persevere. 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 And let's see. This is another vocabulary word. To persevere is another vocabulary word from chapter 2 of David Copperfield by Charles Dickens. It's an intermediate level word, and the verb to persevere means to continue doing something even if there are obstacles, even if it is extremely difficult and you want to stop. Persevere, if you know the phrasal verb give up, it's the opposite of give up. Give up is like surrender. Okay, I quit. I stop. I don't want to do this anymore. That's give up. And persevere is the opposite of give up. It means fight. Fight. Let's try to use it in an example. Here's the situation. Lucy was studying computer programming, and it was very difficult for her. Very hard work. But she never stopped. She kept fighting. She never gave up. She fought. She persevered. Giselle Marie-Lise says you have to persevere to win, and she's very right. You always have, you never win by giving up. You always have to persevere. You have to fight. You have to keep working hard. You never give up. You have to persevere. Okay, let's use persevere in our example. We can say it was hard to learn computer programming, but Lucy persevered. That means she didn't give up. She kept fighting. She kept fighting. She always fights. Let's make a how question with Lucy persevered. We'll say she. How? How did she? How did she persevere? That could be a hard word, I think, for some people to say. Persevere. Persevere. How did she? How did she? How did she persevere? How did she persevere? Let's answer this question with the preposition by plus an ing verb. By working. By working hard. By working hard every day. She persevered by working hard every day. By working hard every day. Hard every day. By working hard every day. She persevered by working hard every day. She persevered by working hard every day. Okay. Let's try another example. Let's say that John was climbing Mount Everest. It was very difficult. He wanted to stop, but instead he fought and he worked hard. He didn't give up. Now let's make a how persevere question. How did he persevere? 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 Let's answer with the preposition by and an ing verb, because that's usually how you answer the word how, with by plus an ing verb. Not always, but that's one way. By focusing. He persevered by focusing on his goal. Focusing on his goal. Focusing on his goal. On his. He persevered by focusing on his goal. Persevered by focusing on his goal. Okay, great. Let us move on to another vocabulary word. Let me see here.